Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you have successfully installed macOS Tahoe on VMware, but you are struggling to find a way to install VMware Tools. So in this short video, I will show you how to install VMware Tools on your macOS Tahoe on VMware. So let's get started. So if you click on VM, you will find that the Install VM Tool button is inactive. So just leave it as and follow the next steps. Now, open any browser and go to this official VMware URL. Here, you can see the file named darwin.iso. Just click on this file to download and save it to your desktop. So once downloaded, go back to your VM. In the menu, click on VM and then select Removable Devices. Now go to CD/DVD and then click on the Settings button. Here, click on Add at the bottom and then select CD/DVD drive and click on Finish. Now, click on Use an ISO image file and then click on Browse button. Now, attach the downloaded darwin.iso file from your desktop and click on Open. You can also remove the first DVD as we no longer need the macOS Tahoe ISO. Once everything is done, close your settings. Now, just restart your virtual machine. Once restarted and logged in, you will see a disk attached to your desktop labeled VMware Tools. Just double-click on the VMware Tools disk and then click on Install VMware Tools. Now, we will begin with the installation of VMware Tools. Simply click on Continue and then click on Install to install the VMware Tools. Now type in your password here to continue with the installation. Now click on Allow to let the installer do its job. Now you will see this pop-up saying that the system extension is blocked. Now click on Open System Settings. Once you click on it, your system settings will open automatically and you will see this security warning. Just click on Allow to let the installer complete the installation. Now you will be asked to restart your system, but simply click on Not Now and proceed. Now, close your system settings and it will display an error message stating that the installation has failed. Now close this setup and again click on Install VMware Tools. Follow the same steps and continue with the VMware Tools installation without encountering any warnings. So after a while, your installation will be complete. Now click on the Restart button to restart your VM. Once restarted, you will see that your desktop resolution has changed automatically, and you have successfully installed VMware Tools on your macOS Tahoe. So that's it. You have successfully installed VMware Tools on your new macOS Tahoe and you can enjoy your new macOS without any issues. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like these. I'll see you in the next one.